Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil life for a 2018 Nissan Sentra. This is the SV model, and here we go. Right here, you're going to look for this button right here on the steering wheel. You click on that and wait till this option come up. It's a clock meter, setter, vehicle settings. You just scroll down to maintenance. To scroll up and down is this lever right here. You go up or down, and you scroll down to maintenance and hit enter. Bam. It's going to give you the options, oil and filter. You hit enter once again. When it passed the 300 mark, because I already reset it, I just scroll down. You could set, like, if it's 00, you could set it. You could go in there and change the mileage, how much you want your car to run for most vehicles is 3,000 miles. If you use full synthetic, you could change it to like 6,000 miles if you want to, but I use basic oil, so you can give me like about 3,000 miles depending on my driving style. But when it passes, when you set it whatever, and whenever it passes the mile that it's required to set reminder, you just hit reset and it's going to reset it, and it's going to turn to 0, guys. But thank you guys for watching. That's how you do it, and you just come out of there. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope this helped you. Peace out and bye bye. Have a blessed day.